Here's how to clean your dishwasher filter. Most dishwashers will have something like this. You can just lefty-loosey this, pull it out. I just cleaned mine yesterday, so it's fine. You may also have this. You can see how it fits in here and fits in here. You just sort of pull up on this gently, and you can just clean this out. There'll be some junk in here, and this is all done, no tools. You just slip it back in here and under there, stick it back in. You can clean this very well with your, there's some gunk in there. And to put it back in, you just gently put it in here and then righty-tighty it until it sort of snugs in there. And that's it.